Here's how you can automate your affiliate marketing and YouTube channel with one simple AI tool. The AI Genius Club gives you access to a suite of over 20 of the most in-demand AI tools under one low monthly subscription. I'm going to be highlighting one of the tools called the Video Genius tool that allows you to enter any website, affiliate link, or YouTube video, then generate videos on demand with AI. Here's a demo of one of the videos I just created.
Welcome to the great discovery of the future of e-learning and online business. This AI-powered platform is designed to transform how you manage your business operations.
You can create hype videos, sales videos, storytime videos, announcement, inspirational, or random fact videos. And if you want to get more detailed, you can click on advanced settings and choose your language, image style, voice, music, transcript effect, font style, and number of slides, whether the video is portrait or landscape, and how you want the slides to be animated. Now, videos do cost credits to create, but you can see I can create a minute and 40-second video for just 50 credits. And this is only one of the many tools within the AI Genius Club. You also get access to a variety of image generation tools where you can type in a prompt and generate images like this, which are great for YouTube thumbnails or other areas of your marketing. There's also another tool called the Genius Image Model that allows you to train an AI based upon your face and likeness, then generate unlimited images that look just like you in a variety of settings. There's a Genius Movie Editor that allows you to edit your videos, replacing many expensive video editing softwares. And there's business tools like a full CRM, a Vault system which gives you 5 terabytes of free storage, a phone system, a task management system, and a notes app. There's also website tools like the ability to buy domains, train your own chatbots, and launch websites and funnels that are optimized for traditional and AI-based search engines. And the best part is you can get access into the AI Genius Club for totally free just by referring 3 people into the platform. And not only do you get your AI Genius Club membership for free, you'll actually earn commissions for every paid membership you maintain. But here's maybe the best part. This is a ground floor opportunity in a unique affiliate program that pays affiliates out in over 7 different ways through a global revenue share model. This compensation plan rewards you not only for the people that you refer, but all the indirect affiliates as well. And by delaying to sign up, you could lose out on valuable spillover. In this compensation system, as affiliates hire in the network enrolled team members, many of them are placed under others below them. Others enrolling even 1 minute or 1 second after you may be placed under you and in your network. But it's not just them, but all their future referrals and sales volume as well. This program doesn't just provide you a simple affiliate commission, but pays you out in a variety of different ways based upon a global revenue share model. What I'm going to show you next is a simple goal setting exercise to show you how the plan works. In this example, let's say you referred just 8 people into the AI Genius Club who each paid $59 a month. And the average person in your network just sold 5.3 memberships as well. And let's say it took 2 months for each person to do it. Your earnings at the end of 12 months would be over $100,000. Now, the information in these slides is not designed to guarantee income or earnings. This is not an earnings claim. Compensation under the Great Discovery Pay Plan is based solely on your actual personal and team sales performance. The calculations depicted here simply reflect what the pay plan could typically generate if the specific goals indicated were attained. So how do you get started? First, go join the AI Genius Club. This will waive your first year affiliate fee. This will also lock in your spot in the affiliate compensation system. You'll get access to some of the best affiliate and business tools. You'll also get access to hundreds of hours of pre-recorded training and multiple live coaching sessions per week. You'll get a fully functional replicated e-commerce website that's translated into over 140 different languages, and that's available in 200 plus countries and territories. You'll also get access to 20 of the most in-demand AI apps. And you'll get tax advantages from starting your own home-based business. And you can get all of this for just $59. And remember, you get your AI Genius Club membership fee waived each month you refer 3 paid members. So don't wait, because you never know who could be placed on your team and have a direct or indirect effect at growing your team. If you're interested in joining my team, click on the link below to get started now.